Want to create scroll-stopping graphics, a logo, or even a full slide deck without designing anything yourself? Let me show you how to do it using Canva's free AI tools, Magic Design and Magic Write. You just type what you need and Canva builds it for you in seconds. Here's exactly how it works. First, open your browser and go to Canva Design. Click Start Designing with no payment, no downloads. Now let's say you want a logo. In the prompt box, just type "logo for an organic dog treat brand." Canva instantly gives you a whole set of logos with icons, fonts, and colors ready to edit. Want an Instagram post instead? Type something like "Instagram post for weekend flash sale at a coffee shop." Canva creates full layouts with graphics and captions, so you're not starting from scratch. Now, if you're stuck on copy inside any design, click a text box and use Magic Write. You can ask for a product caption, a headline idea, or a full paragraph. Canva will write it for you instantly, no overthinking, no writer's block. Now let's talk about slides. Open a Canva doc, type your outline or talking points, then click Convert to Presentation. Canva turns your text into a full-on deck with visuals and layout already built. It's clean, fast, and honestly kind of addictive. That's it. In just a few minutes, I had a logo, social post, and a slide deck without designing a thing. If you're a creator, student, or small business and want pro-looking content without the time drain, Canva's AI tools are the move. Try it free at canva.com and let me know what you create. This is AIChief. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tools that do the work for you.